So we're in Clovis, California. We've taken a look out here to see what is going on with the water pipe. They've got a leak down in the kitchen below, and the line came out pretty far away from the wall, so we located it upstairs in the closet. You can see here 1-inch copper, and then that is a Uponor adapter right there. It's soldered onto the pipe, but up above you can see that mist spraying out from there, and so that got a fracture right there in that pipe. So that is a defect from, it used to be Wurzbo, now it's Uponor, but that's defective. And so we can repair this, no big deal, but we just need to document what it was. So you can see on my hand, the water building up right now. So that's what's spraying in. If I come in further, you can see that's where it's at. So right there, the crack is right here. We'll try and mark it with a pen even though it's wet, and that way we'll know where it's at. And then of course this will get shipped off to Uponor to see what they want to do for as far as the warranty outside of that. This inspection is done. So we're still in Clovis, California. We finished doing a repair here. What's real nice to do with these pipes, we did mark that little fracture right there. So Uponor won't be able to test this. Normally what I'd like to see is a long piece with the damaged part in the middle, but you can see the fracture right there. So it was just spraying out, and this was on the brass adapter, and so we cut it off. Had to actually splice it and remove it, and the reason being we want to reuse that adapter. We don't have another one with us to solder on, plus we don't really like soldering in a finished home like that. But if you do it right, which hopefully we did, and you don't nick anything in there on the brass, this will seat perfectly. And last part of the video, we wanted to document what we feel should happen in here because of the mold growth inside the closet, and also on the back side of this board right here and the bottom plate. You can see the fuzz growing, and then out here you've got some separation at the molding. So what really should happen by all rights is this entire area should get opened up. Be mindful not to damage the PEX tubing because you've got the cold line over there and the hot line over here, but open it up all the way and see what the framing looks down in this cavity plus over to this wall to see how much water's gotten down there, because it's flooded downstairs and caused multiple problems in the ceiling down there. Also, we recommend pulling back the carpet right here to take a look at the subfloor, because underneath it's completely saturated, but up top the carpet feels wet. So you need to pull this back and see if there's damage to any of the subfloor. Additionally, if you feel that we actually feel that we need to open up enough to see tile area and see if there's any water that's actually gotten under tile. Could be, because if it has, you need to demo back tile until there's no more water, and then do any remediation up to and including the cabinet as well, because it's the side wall to this closet right here. So the water was saturating here, going down. A lot of it was going through the hole down into the ceiling below, but also water has a tendency to want to pull into, especially carpet padding. It likes to pull that water in this way. And then of course free-flowing water, it doesn't mind if it travels under tile. Could be under the cabinet, could be to the side of the cabinet. We don't know, and that's not our area of expertise, but that's what we believe should happen here. We'll get these videos sent out to you as quickly as possible. Outside of that, this inspection is done.